Hey guys, I wanted to show you real quick I got you in the living room too, by the way, my plans for my wedding album kit, I guess you could say. So I wanted to start with my scrapbook. That's plural. And I got these from AC Moore. It's got like you can see it there. Can you see it in the camera? I'm not sure. Anyway, it's just a standard side loading, and I'll be able to push it out if I want to on the sides here. That's a white one. Here I did get a pink because you'll have to excuse the fireworks in the background. Because that's how we roll here on July 4th. This is July 4th night, but nighttime. Anyway, this is the pink one, and again, it's just the standard. That's cute. One which when I bought these, didn't realize I was not gonna like those eventually, but here we are. Anyway, here's some of the 8.5 by 11 papers that I got. These are like vellum. Has a little sparkle to it. This is just a plain pink sheet of paper from what I can tell. Sorry, I really didn't know how to do this nicely. I got a few, I guess I got 3 of each. 3 and 7 are my 2 favorite numbers, so it's pretty thick. It's white with silver. Oh, I think that pink one goes back with this. Okay. It's got a sparkle to it. Yeah, you can see it there a little bit. And then black. Those are my colors, pink, black, and then white. And these are just white, it looks like. Not sure why I would have picked up white cardstock, but anyway. So those are just 8.5 sheets that I have. Oh. It's got like fibers in it. It's kind of pearlescent looking. So sorry for the glare. This is a pack that I picked up from Big Lots back when they had them on clearance, I believe. Oh, there's another sheet. 8.5 by 11, but this has just, I'm sorry, some specialty papers in it. Oh, you see them all down there? And this, I loved this one. It's kind of like, look like beads on there. Glitter, because yes please. Oh, that's thick. A black glitter, a white glitter. Ooh, that's pretty. And I picked all this stuff up before I was married. So I don't remember any of it, quite honestly. Looks like this was another Big Lots kit. That's so cute. Don't think I'll be using that office set, but it can go in the stash. Some acetate sheets. Let's see if we can get that on this white glitter. There we go. Okay. So that's that acetate piece. Ooh. Nice. And then black. I like that one. Okay. Let's see here. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Then it looks like we got another paper pad here. You can see my phone. I love this key one because he has a tattoo of a key on his arm, and I have a locket on my chest. And, well, you know, we love each other, so. And then this is just me and my big ideas paper pad, black and white. Ooh. Oh, yeah, this one's got the, yeah, velvet in it. So yeah, so that's the paper that I have. Big papers anyway. Let me scoot that, ooh, sorry, down. And then I do have these little strips that I got from just, you know, you can get those huge bundles that you get. Mirrored pink, mirrored, it's like a mirrored black. That's just pink. This is like a pearlescent color, which, there we go. Can you see it? It's gorgeous. And you got your standard black. And then these are like vellum. And when I had got the pack, me being the hoarder that I am, I picked up a few packs. So I took all the, and they had the strips, these, and these big pieces, and I just took out the different colors. And this one even has pearlescent black in it, and then white and pink, pearlescent black, and pink. So that's all the colors of paper. Okay, I'll just put it down here on the floor here. Okay, so then quick overview of the pictures. I just have a few 5x7s, and then I got a bunch of 4x6s. I printed literally every single one of them. So, yeah. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, so that's all the pictures. I didn't print any really big ones. Not sure why, but I have these. I'm covering this up because it's got a bad word on it. But a friend of mine gave me this, and I just wanted to keep it in case I wanted to use it in my scrapbook. I'm not sure if I will or not. And this is a magnet. So, anyway. So, as you can see, I got piles of stickers that I'm just going to kind of go through and show you guys real quick. And I got them from dollar store. Some of them I actually picked up when where we went to on honeymoon was, there was a scrapbook store there in Tennessee. Gatlinburg, I think it was what it was called. And they had some stuff there that I picked up. Some of these are from the dollar store. Some of them are from Big Lots. Some of them from AC Moore. They are all pretty much wedding related. These are the only thickers that I have so far in the set, which we all know that's not going to work. So I'll be working on that though. But I have a lot of things that can be used as a title. Like this will be done on the one with me coming down the aisle. We got bride. And then we got a groom. You know, so I got a bunch that I can just do sprinkles with. Dress. Limo. I got this one specifically because my work. Cutting the cake. Got us honeymoon. I'll save that one for the honeymoon album. Family. I got the limo because my work pitched in and got us a limo to ride away in. Oh, sorry, you can't see that one very well. Just swirly bits. And so I got the limo one to obviously put on the limo page. Now this one, oh no, they're stickers. I thought they were rub-ons. I'm like, there's no way those are still good. I gotta hurry up. Those fireworks are getting loud. Oh, hearts. These are just really weird stickers. Pipier. I don't know. You are my miracle? I don't know about that one. This one is just like an ephemera pack. I got this offline. I'm not even sure how this one made it in there. Those colors don't match at all. That's probably coming out. These colors don't really match either, so. This is one of the ones that I got while I was on my honeymoon. Got some little doves. I got a couple cakes. This is one I got on my honeymoon. Oh, this one I got on my honeymoon too. I thought that was adorable. I got a bunch of those. These I thought would be good for sprinkling throughout the layout, even though it's confetti. These kind of turned yellow, so I don't know about that. And then these. But that's it. That's the whole kit. So I have these 2 albums for any leftover pictures. This one's already got some in it. My baby. Yeah, so anyway, I will see you guys next time. Hope you had a great day. Bye.